Okay, so this whole presentation hinges on a post that's on the homepage of one of our websites, the HongKongVisaGiza.com blog. If you've seen the HongKongVisaGiza.com website, it's where I post on immigration matters 4 to 5 times a week. But right on the homepage is this post: 10 must-have resources for successful Hong Kong permanent residency application. So as I work my way through the presentation, understand that the information I'm giving you is ultra reinforced, if you will, through all the resources that are contained in this particular piece of content on our websites. Okay, so there are several ways to secure a permanent residency in Hong Kong. The mechanism for securing the right of abode lies in the basic law, which is different from other aspects of Hong Kong immigration, which is all really based under the provisions of the Immigration Ordinance and the administrative powers that the Director of Immigration has got to give people dependent visas, to give people investment visas, to give people student visas and the like. The right of abode itself is enshrined in the basic law, and as I say, there are different mechanisms. This talk is delimited to specifically those who are foreign nationals that have been in Hong Kong for a minimum period of 7 years. You can get the right of abode by virtue of Chinese nationality. You can get right of abode by virtue of descent. These are very complex areas, so I'm not going to get into this particular facet of the right of abode. It's purely those that have been here for 7 years, living here lawfully. Ultimately, the test for approval is, have you been continuously and ordinarily resident in Hong Kong for a period of not less than 7 years, and any absences from Hong Kong in that time have been of a merely temporary nature, as evidenced by what you leave behind to return back to at the end of each temporary stay abroad. And that's it. That's the entire test. And that test breaks down into various segments. And as we work our way through the presentation, we'll look at the particular segments of that test, and then you'll begin to understand whether or not in your circumstances you will be a shoo-in for an approval, or whether you're going to have to work hard for an approval.